the rope problem. Okay, so rope. How do I handle rope? Well, here, what I'm going to do is take a box and make an incredibly large amount of height to it. Okay? Then I'm going to take the top, I'm going to take it and extrude the top, extrude the bottom. Then I'm going to go in here and go mesh smooth. That'll create something that looks like this. Then I'm just going to lengthen it out some. And you can see it's got a lot of divisions. That's important. Okay, then I'm going to jump into the top view. Now, I don't want to make just average rope. That would be boring. So I'm going to make super rope. I'm going to duplicate this. Put one here and one here. Then I'm going to grab all of them and go into polygons, mesh, combine them together. D on the keyboard to move its pivot to the center of the object. And then I'm going to use something under animation. And it is... I really wish I could see all of these. Create, nonlinear, twist. Okay, so this is how it works. We got this item. And I can't get back in my perspective view for some reason with my keyboard. So we got this item, and 6 on the keyboard will yield this. Okay, so what happens? Well, twist allows you to do this. And you can do that with the end angle too, in the opposite direction. And you got this. And now I got some kind of rope. Now, what else? Well, let's duplicate the rope. And let's turn it sideways. And let's take a box. Let's get rid of this one. And our trick here is to drape this rope across the box. Okay, so what did I teach you already? Well, let's see. I have these things. I call them end dynamics. In here, I can create this as a cloth. And this I can create as a collider. Okay, so there we go. Now if I hit play with about 800 frames, this should fall and then calculate onto the box. And it's going to stretch out just a little bit, and that's good. But what's going to happen is, let's see, let's put 800 frames in here. If we look under here, this thing has a property, and I'm going to show you a property of cloth. So there we go. We got a rope. And let's look under the property. Let's hit escape a few times, and let's go rewind it. And let's go into this. And then let's look at the output cloth. Oh, wait. Cloth shape. Hit the presets, and you're going to find that you have a lot of these. So you can make this cloth act as different kinds of cloth, like let's say burlap, for example. And when I hit play, what it's going to do is calculate a lot differently and a lot stiffer. So all you do is have to find whatever kind of rope you want, whether it be a rigid rope or like a silky rope. But that is the rope problem. Enjoy. On to the next video.